Good morning, Junior 1, and welcome to your grammar for this week. The learning goal is to be able to use a dictionary. Do you think that's knowledge, skills, or understanding? Yes, you're correct. It is a skill because it is to be able to. Here is a short video talking about how to use a dictionary. I know most of you know how to use a dictionary, but it's just a reminder of some of the skills you'll be using today. The video talks about a specific dictionary, the Oxford First Dictionary, but don't worry, most of the skills that it talks about are the same for any dictionary.
Hello. Hi. We all like words. Words are everywhere. Big words, little words, fun words, interesting words. Everywhere. I know lots of words. My favourite word is lizard. It is in here. What's that book? It's my dictionary. It tells you all about words, what they mean and how to spell them. I'll show you how it works. Look! Can you see? It's full of words. The dictionary puts all the words in alphabetical order so it's easy to find the one you want. OK, let's find a word. What word shall we find? How about lizard? It's my favourite word, you know. Here's how to find it. First, you need to think what letter it begins with. Well, lizard begins with L. So now you have to find which part of the dictionary has the words that start with L. Look at the alphabet going down the side of the page. Where's L? There it is. So, lizard must be in this part of the dictionary. The letter L is near the end of the red part. You turn the pages to...
Carry on watching the video in your own time before you complete your activity. The video talks about the colours on the pages of the dictionary, but normally you might not have colours on your dictionary. However, once you know your alphabet, you'll know about where to start looking for the letter or the word that you're looking for. So if your word starts with a letter at the beginning of the alphabet, you turn to the beginning of the book. If you know your word starts with a letter in the middle of the alphabet, you have to go to the middle of the alphabet. People generally think of the alphabet divided into quarters or to divide it into four different sections. So that makes it easy to start to find where the words are that you want to look for. Your activity today is to look at these words and decide which one is spelt correctly. Even if you really do know already which one is correct, then you can still look it up in the dictionary. You could give yourself a timer to see how quick you are at finding exactly where the word is. Okay, and then in the middle of your activity, these words, yes, they are spelt wrongly. Look them up and see if you can find the correct spelling. Another way of using a dictionary is to find out the meaning or the definition of the words. Look in your dictionary and see if you can find out the meaning of those two words, atlas and yacht. For extra spicy, find the definitions of these words: legend, generous, inventive, and inspiring. And I wonder if you can think of where these words came from. Sometimes, if you don't have a dictionary, you can use an online dictionary. I like dictionary.com. So, if you wanted to look for the word yacht, just type it in and then you can see the definition and how it's spelled. However, today it would be a really good idea if you could actually use a paper dictionary if you have one in your house. Okay, good luck inquiring and searching for those words in your dictionary. Bye now.